Hello! We have prepared for you the pancake recipe that everyone loves with its sweet and salty. It's a favorite on our own tables, and kids especially love these thin, delicate crepes. 2 eggs, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. In a mixing bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, and water thoroughly. In a mixing bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, and water thoroughly. One teaspoon of salt. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt 1 teaspoon of margarine in it. Pour a ladle of the prepared batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Cook the crepe over medium heat, turning it until both sides are nicely done. If you don't add salt to the batter, you can sweeten your crepes with jam or chocolate. For those who prefer savory, cheese-filled crepes are a great alternative. Enjoy, and we highly recommend everyone try it.